Wesley Bolt, father of international track star Usain Bolt, has died. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Wesley Bolt, father of international track legend Usain Bolt, has died. It is understood that the senior Bolt passed away just a few minutes ago after a lengthy illness. He was 68 years old. Wesley often featured in the stands along his wife Jennifer as they supported their son during his rise to global stardom. The elder Bolt ran a shop in Sherwood, Content, Trelawney for 15 years up to 2017. Prior to that, he worked at the coffee board for 16 years. In responding to the news, Prime Minister of Jamaica, the Most Right Honorable Mr. Andrew Holness, extended his condolences to Usain Bolt's family. The Prime Minister, in a post on his social media account, expressed his condolences to Bolt's family following the loss of Wesley Bolt. The post acknowledged the role of the family patriarch, offering to him as the quiet force behind one of Jamaica's greatest sons. Bolt also highlighted the love that track legend Usain Bolt showed for his family. "We have all witnessed the deep love and respect you have always showed for your family. You celebrated them with pride, and in doing so, you reminded us of the importance of family in our own lives," Holness said. "As you grieve this great loss, the prayers and support of the entire nation are with you. We mourn with you, we stand with you, and we honor the memory of your father alongside you." The Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Olivia Babsy Grange, has also expressed condolences to the family of sprint legend Usain Bolt following the passing of his father, Wesley Bolt. In a statement, Grange described Wesley as the unwavering pillar of support behind his son's success. "Nothing beats the unconditional love of a supportive family," she said, emphasizing the critical role that both Wesley and his wife Jennifer played in shaping Usain Bolt's legendary career. "They were Usain Bolt's chief motivator, chief cheerleader, source of constant support and stability," Grange noted, adding that Wesley's dedication to his family was exceptional. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to express our condolences to Usain Bolt's family. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.